In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Google Sheets. We're going to walk through this directly inside Asana, so make sure you're logged into your account and have the project you want to connect ready to go. Start by opening the Asana project where you want to use the Google Sheets integration. This could be any project whose tasks, due dates, or other details you'd like to send over to a spreadsheet for reporting or analysis. Once the project is open in the list view, look towards the top area of the screen where your project controls and options are located. Next, you'll click on the project menu that's highlighted in your interface. Depending on your layout, this is usually near the project name or in the toolbar at the top of the project. This menu is where Asana keeps most of the project-level settings and tools, including app integrations. From that menu, click on the option labeled Settings. This will open a panel or window with several tabs that let you configure how your project behaves. Give it a moment to load if it doesn't appear instantly. Inside the settings area, look for the tab called Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is the central place in Asana where you can discover, manage, and configure integrations that connect your project to other tools, including Google Sheets. Once you're on the Apps tab, look for a link or button that says See All Apps and click that. This will take you to Asana's full app directory where all available integrations are listed. It might open in a new window or within the current tab, depending on your setup. In the app directory, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and start typing Google Sheets. As you type, the results will filter down. When you see the Google Sheets integration appear in the list, select it. This is the official connector that allows Asana to send project data into a Google Sheet. Click on the Google Sheets app entry to open its details page. Here, you'll see information about what the integration does and any plan requirements. You do need an upgraded Asana plan to install and use the Google Sheets integration. If your workspace has the correct plan, you'll see an option to install. Now, click on Install Google Sheets for Asana. At this point, Asana will guide you through a series of prompts. Typically, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account, grant permission for Asana to access Google Sheets, and choose which project data to export or sync. Just follow each prompt on screen, confirm the permissions, and complete the setup. Once you finish those steps, your Asana project will be successfully integrated with Google Sheets, ready for reporting, dashboards, and deeper analysis of your work.